The Gemini North Telescope, part of the International Gemini Observatory by NSF's NOIRLab, recently captured an awe-inspiring image of the Taffy Galaxies UGC 12914 and UGC 12915. These galaxies, found 180 million light-years away in Pegasus, exhibit a mesmerizing twist due to a collision that occurred around 25 million to 30 million years ago. In this cosmic dance, the galaxies initially approached each other, resulting in a high-speed collision that left them distorted and stretched. Despite the violent encounter, a bridge of turbulent hydrogen gas now links the two, creating a captivating sight akin to warm taffy candy in radio images. Unlike typical galactic collisions that trigger rapid star formation, this unique event acted as a galactic hit-and-run. Surprisingly, the collision's natural dynamics injected significant energy into the system, creating chaotic turbulence that disrupted the usual process of gas accretion and compression necessary for new star formation. The bright red clouds of ionized hydrogen suspended between cosmic dust and galaxies contain all the ingredients for potential star formation. However, the turbulent aftermath of the collision has thwarted the traditional star-forming process, turning this encounter into a cosmic anomaly.